So this is what I'm going to use for the lighting. This is a 1 watt. Trying to get this to focus now. A 1 watt LED bead, and it's blue. So what I've done is I've removed the actual glass from the bulb. Just broke it out of it, and I'll desolder that, and I'll make a couple of wire links. I've started on one of them here. Some heat shrink on it, and the trick is with these, when you're putting them in, is not to have them directly behind the meter, say pointing at the center of it, because the middle of the meter ends up getting very bright compared to the rest of it. So what you want to do, me something to point with here, you want it kind of down here at the just over the meter coil cover, and pointing maybe like at a 45-degree angle towards the meter, but you want it kind of down below it. I could remove the bulb holder and all that sorts, but I don't want to do that because it's not my radio, and this is a reversible mod, so that's why I'm doing it this way. But this one here, that goes over the dial here, it's an absolute nightmare to get at it, because you have to remove this whole display board to get at it. So I think the LED is a good option, because you don't need to worry about it going again. So we'll crack on anyway and show you what we end up with this when I'm done. We're kind of halfway through here, so what I done was I soldered in a little lead into the center part of the bulb, which is the plus, and I have it covered in heat shrink. It comes down to the bead, and then we have a 1K resistor, which will solder onto the shell, but I'm going to put a bit of heat shrink on that as well. So that's what you end up with. As I said, I've done it this way because it's not my radio, and I didn't want to do anything that's not reversible. So this can be disposed of if somebody decides, and they can just put a stock incandescent bulb in there. So we'll put that in and see what it looks like. Alright, it's in there now, so once you get it in, you kind of have to bend it around and do whatever you want to do. These 1 watt beads with a 1K resistor on them, they're not very bright, and kind of do it that way on purpose. If you want them really bright, you want to put a 270K resistor on the cold side. I always put the resistor on the cold side of it. So, and now that looks like it's very bright in the middle. It's not in reality, it's just the camera doing that. So I just have to make one now for the meter light, or the dial light. So that means all that's got to come out again. And oh god. Anyway, I digress. I said I'd show you this before I put the display board back in. I have it out at the moment, just sitting there. So that's where the illumination lives for the, here, you can see it in there, for the dial light. When you're taking that out, you need to be very, very careful not to bump this lever, because that's the adjustment for the mechanical VFO, and it'll put the whole thing out of whack. So you have to be very, very careful that you don't hit that. .73, and thanks for watching. We'll be back again very soon. This is George, EI 7 Kilo Oscar. Bye bye.